Okay, so it's Thanksgiving today, so happy Turkey Day, everybody. I'm gonna do this, I don't know, this is not subtle, this is a bold green color. Semi-cut crease just in the middle, so let's get into it. So let's go! Hi guys, wanna say hi?
Hi.
Prep my face.
Yes.
I protected it. I moisturized it for me eyebrows.
Sit down, mommy, please. Sit
You
down.
wanna sit down too? Okay, sit down.
Sit down.
Okay. I usually go for Anastasia's Brow Wiz, but this is the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. I think it was like $7 at Ulta. It's in the color taupe. Focus! Focus! Anyways, it's in the color taupe. So, and it was $7, and it's a good dupe for Anastasia's because I think Anastasia's is like $20 or something like that. I mean, if you got it, go for it. But if you don't, girl, let us begin.
Hey, check it out. Check it out. Wow, check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
Let me take that back. This pencil sucks. I'm just kidding. No, it doesn't. It's not that bad. But you cannot go wrong with the pomade. Some of my girlfriends have told me that theirs dries out really quickly. But I'm just blessed that it hasn't. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Thank you. So I'm using the Boss Mode by Morphe. Ooh. So I already did my eyebrow and prepped my eye. Look at all these colors. OMG. And green is my favorite color. I mean, maybe if I had like colored eyes. Ooh, I should get colored contacts. I'm going to start off with the lightest color. I'm going to start off with Stroke of Luck. So pigmented. And I'm going to pack that all over my crease. These colors are so pigmented. And I like dragging it up towards the tip of my eyebrow. I think it gives it a lot more drama. We're almost halfway done. I'm just kidding. Doing the second eye is always so much easier and so much faster. Oh my gosh, like it's not even funny. Bullet brush. Express yourself. Right in the crease. I'm gonna start darkening that crease. My eyeballs. Guys, this is my first video and I really don't know like how to, I don't know. Y'all just, I don't know. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Hey, cut it. And then we're gonna blend the sides. You don't really want to touch your lid so much. It's kind of hard because I do have hooded eyes. They're not deep set at all. It's a lot of practice trying to do certain eyeshadow looks. I'm gonna go in with Green with Envy. Little bullet brush. This is the Morphe M149. The reason I like Morphe so much is because they're cheap and they're good. Oh! That was an ultra mega fail, guys. Sorry. Ultra mega fail! I need music, huh? Doesn't matter if it gets all over, you know, just blend out. Like, it doesn't matter if it gets all over your eye unless you already put foundation on. For the foundation, sometimes I'm in a rush and I do it while I have the foundation on, but when I do have foundation and I put my eyeshadow, and you know the eyeshadow does fall and it spreads, and then cleaning it, you're gonna have to retouch it. It's just too much work. So do it before you put the foundation on. Go back in, buff everything out, and I'm going to start darkening my outer corner and lightly on my inner corner. Get up this line a little bit. Oh Lord, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, so beautiful. Now for the tricky part, grab my concealer. It's from Morphe. It's the M224. It's a really good brush. It's just to do my cut creases, it gets a little difficult because it's kind of thick, so I have to squeeze it and flatten it out with my fingers to make it really defined. And it's okay if you get a little sloppy. We can always fix it. Everything is fixable. Even your attitude. I'm getting a cramp. It's really, oh guys, if you guys can see that. Best type of brush to use. Your finger. How long does it take you to do your makeup? You just do your eyebrows, you just put mascara on. I got no eyebrows. And I got no eyelashes. So, I gotta put makeup on. I have some. Like tres pelos, but it's okay. Look at, I got this from XOXO when I went to it. It looks like a gem. So bougie. So bougie. Back in with To The Dude. Pack it on in there. So what I'm gonna do is I grab it, put it on there, and I slowly start stroking it inward. Because we wanna kind of blend it. And I don't wanna do it too much. Because we're gonna go in with Stroke of Luck. It's really bright green, just to transition those two colors. There. Oh yes. Ooh la la, mon chéri. Okay, and I'm actually gonna go in with Light of the Party. You guys, this stuff is like, oh, so good. And I'm gonna pack that right in the center. I love these freaking glitters. Go back in with my bullet brush, and then I'm gonna slowly carve out that top part. Starting to look better. You can add a wing to this look. You can do whatever your heart desires. Okay. It's crazy how giving yourself a cut crease can actually make your eye look like it's bigger. Power of makeup. We transform. We be catfishing, yeah. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M160, 1.5. I don't know. It's like they're 1/1/16 and a half. It's just a very tiny, fine for my eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Blackest Black. Just a very thin line. But I'm just gonna go in with the same eyeshadow and I'm gonna buff this out. Then I'm gonna take my trusty dusty handy dandy baby wipe. I'm wearing the Teddy lashes from Kiss. I like to do like light coverage. I do have some blemishes and some red spots on my skin, but if you want to cake it up, go for it. But I'm not trying to go too harsh here. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe concealer. It's Oats. It's in the color Oats. I was gonna use my Tarte one, but I feel like it's a little too much for right now. Smells amazing. Like, oh, I just want to eat it. I'm just gonna out. I'm gonna go in with this banana powder by Revolution. Actually, brand new, so I'm excited. Okay guys, so my camera died, sorry, but I'm done. I'm loving it.